Welcome back to Whitey Travels. In this episode, we hike out to the picturesque Spring Creek Falls. We visit Hartley's Croc farm to visit some friendly and not so friendly animals.
That's what we're doing with.
So I've been told that you have to come into this trail with a bit of an open mind to exploring.
One of the comments we read, which was my personal favourite, was that someone turned it into a game.
Yeah.
You said you had to leap from side to side.
And over the water and across the rocks.
And it was a game. And he said it was a bit harder out, but coming back it was better because he understood the rules of the game.
Yeah.
Next section of game.
Nice fun game.
I reckon it's just there.
Yeah, I think you've got to go over it.
That's pretty, eh?
Water's super clear. It's not like a big entry point or anything, but it looks super nice. Choose your character. What is your character?
We fully committed to the game. So our names for our characters came from the fact that Dean's in camo / army green and I'm in black, so we're very regional. And also I tried to watch Choppy my plait landing on my back because it scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, you got scared. I was like, whoa!
It was just my plait. I thought it was a spider on my neck. Oh, so part of the game is you really got to watch where you step because Dean nearly just stepped on a python.
Was it that far away? Hey, you just kind of crawled underneath my shoe.
Oh, that was a bit creepy. Generally, what we do is we just stomp pretty loud because generally they'll hear you and they'll kind of just slither off. So, huh?
Normally. Come straight towards us.
He was like, I'm going this way, you get around me. So back across the river we go. It looks like the path on the other side again. So this is definitely a very unconventional hike.
Yeah, choose your own adventure.
But we're here for it because this means a lot less crowd. Just gotta go in knowing that you're just gonna be rock hopping.
You got good split. Nice.
Now I'm a ninja.
First pool.
Very cool.
Very cool. And we're almost there. It's just up over that little waterfall there. But we depleted.
It's 1:30 and we're about 8 to start run, so
Yeah.
it's time for food.
Get some food in. And you never guess, wraps again. It's a nice little waterfall. Yes, it's good.
It's looking so nice out here.
This is epic. Look at that. Nothing like a little skinny dip.
Guys,
Yeah,
that's how quiet it is here.
so quiet.
We thought this whole time that we didn't have Skittles, and we're like, oh, there was a few times we said I could really go some Skittles right now. We didn't know where they disappeared to. I just found them in my bag.
And that's us concluded at Black Rock Falls.
It was really nice.
It's great. Been here for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours now.
You see me around
All to ourselves.
Why did you decide to talk when we had a mouthful? Yeah, you are going to do one thing in Port Douglas.
In this region, yeah.
As long as like you just obviously need to have a little bit of hiking experience, but we had the place to ourselves the whole time. So,
no crocodiles.
no crocs, beautiful water, beautiful views, the adventure's worth it.
Yeah.
We love an adventure.
Yeah. Get down here, have a go.
We're back to playing the game. Choose your own route, choose your own adventure.
We've definitely stepped it up on the rock hopping skills. We're flying back this time. This is the final level before we finish the game. Wow. Game complete. We're done. And we're done physically as well.
Yeah, legs are tired. There's been a lot of K's on the legs today.
It's been a tough day. So, bye. Do some weights when we get back.
Upper body only.
Yeah, nothing on the legs. It's definitely taking the cake today.
Yeah, today is the highlight day.
Yeah. And it was the one thing that wasn't on our list to do.
We've just come back from our hike. This man's got too much energy. Or this is actually just procrastinating because we said we'll do some weights, but we kind of like don't really feel like it.
We're staying at Cool, Clean and Green. It's a hip camp. It's $20 first night.
And $10
$10
every night.
night.
That's very budget friendly, and show the people where we are.
Yeah,
It's very
she's
beautiful.
pretty nice.
Time for a little morning workout.
Oh, yeah.
With our handy Big W adjustable weight set.
We've made it to the Croc farm.
Woo!
There's a big dog. Can I pet that dog?
I bet that dog.
Yeah, very cute.
That one's really good.
Aussie's got a cracking set. Yeah, front for me, bud. Up, up. Nice one, give me a clap, guys.
And this one here is actually a new crocodile.
Hey.
Come on, Oprah. It's incredibly fast. Oh, you mongrel.
hills. Ooh, that's why, Mum. It's now. Where's the water coming from?
Yeah, he goes. Walkies. There's a head shake. There's goal. Getting a good grip on that. Just want a couple more out of him. There we go.
That concludes our Hartley's Crocodile Day. Yeah. Adventure. It was great.
It was really good.
Yeah. Really recommend it.
Yeah, they do. We watched 2 croc shows, one of feeding and one of their rolling technique, and it's pretty crazy.
Show host.
The show host, he gets right in there in their face. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. And then included in the entry, you get to go on
Boat tour.
the boat tour, which is good.
Yeah, and they also do a feeding and they show you all the crocs around and explain some facts, so it's really informative and interesting. The way they've set it all up, you can really view things very well
Yeah.
as well.
It's very compact, like you feel like you're very close to the animals. Which
Yeah,
is
even just
nice.
over the crocs you can see them so close.
Yeah.
So,
Like if you were feeling wild, you could almost pretty much just reach in and touch the crocs.
yeah,
Like it's
very
that
trust
much
system.
freedom. So
yeah, it's
But-
very, very, very worth it for the day.
yeah, and it was $48 each.
Yeah,
to
that's
get
for
in,
an
so
adult, so
Yeah.
yeah,
pretty good.
worth it, yeah.
Yeah.
Man versus coconutty.
Coconut winning.
There's a technique to this that I don't know.
Decide to just attack it. New method.
Still ain't working real well.
Yeah. Try that milk now if you want that water. We got the coconut open.
Coconut. First time ever. For me. Not a big fan.
All that effort for that.
Yeah.
Just got the cat.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Wow. We're on the way to the beach. 4 Mile Beach.
Full Out Beach. And we're gonna head to Mossman Gorge.
Mossman Gorge.
We're a bit lazy this morning. We're like, we'll go early and we'll beat the crowds early. And then we woke up, it was actually a bit cooler than we would have liked.
Yeah.
And we're like,
It's first, again, because we staying where we are, it's a little bit further inland, and it,
up
just
now.
that difference, kind of going in, ducking over the mountain range, ending up there. It was, I think it was 10 degrees.
Which
Yeah.
is nice. I mean, it's nice sleeping conditions to have that when
Yeah.
it's 27 or so degrees
Yeah,
during the
well,
day.
it's 27 degrees now, so
And then there's supposed to be a really nice sunset spot as well, so we might do that afterwards. So that will be some adventures for the day.
yeah. We can't find any section off section.
No, so maybe not.
So-
Unless there's some sections where resorts are, but
We're
that's
not
okay.
sure.
It doesn't look that inviting anyway.
No, it's not really the nicest water in the world. And considering the croc that we'd seen yesterday was like just up down in that little inlet down there, he is a big boy. I'm not really too keen to experiment in the water. We are going to Mossman Gorge now. So hopefully this is a bit nicer because it's hot. 28 I need to be in the water.
Would be nice.
So, that was quick. We got there and realised you can't actually park at the swimming spot or the start of the walking tracks, and you have to park at the Visitor Information Centre, which no one tells you, and then you either have to catch a $15 each bus up there.
Yeah, shuttle bus, or it's a 3k walk to where the tracks start.
And then the swimming hole's not on the start of the track either, so
It looks very similar to what we've seen at Rabinda Boulders, which was really nice, but as soon as you're tackling those crowds, I don't know, it's not really our most enjoyable scene.
Yeah, I prefer not to pay to swim in nature waterholes.
Yeah, it kind of takes away from it.
Yeah. So if there's anything to take away from this is don't trust Instagram. Pretty much a day of us just going around looking for somewhere to swim or something to do, and that was the main kind of things that we wanted to do in the Port Douglas area.
If something's good, we mean it.
Yeah.
If something's shit, we'll tell you.
Yeah.
So now, we're now going to go to a spot. It's way early. We were thinking it was going to time me well that we'd go to this cool spot for sunset, but it's nowhere near sunset.
Yeah. Run, Don.
Still sweating and hot. We're on a mission to go get slushies now.
Slushy again.
That's our post-run necessities.
Slushy is good.
I need a slushie.
It was a hot one. It was a hard one.
Yeah.
But we got it done.
Foods are required.
Yeah.